welcome to Success Learners channel. In the previous video we learned how to provide the food for the snake, and in this video we are going to discuss about the small topic like how we are going to control the speed of the snake using a time module. So we have to import the time here, and for that purpose we have to make the speed like s speed. We have to define the speed like 20, so 20 is quite good. For after this one we have to make a variable called t, and that is equals to pygame dot time dot clock. So for defining the speed here, we have to make it over here, like we should make this after the update like t dot tick. So this t dot tick will make the speed of the snake. So while we given that speed is speed, so let's run this one and see the speed of the snake here. See here, if you see the speed of the snake is somewhat increased. See, in this way we can control the speed of the snake also. So that's it guys. If you have any doubts regarding this speed controlling of the snake, then let me know in this comment section. Thank you.